Downloadable Classbook Toolkits from Studentreasures makes it easy to guide your students through the journey to becoming published authors. Start in the Toolkit library to find the perfect option for your project. Choose a toolkit with a theme that matches your book project, or download our main Classbook Toolkit and adapt it to any topic your students will be writing about. Once you've selected a toolkit, the first thing you'll need to do is make a copy of the lesson to your Google account. If you do not have a Google account, you can sign up for free with any email address. Each toolkit includes a slideshow with step-by-step activities to guide your class along the writing and illustrating process of creating their very own class book. Be sure to check the speaker notes throughout the lesson plan for tips and related resources for every step of the way. The included Student Choice Board provides activities to help your students do their best work. Once you are ready to share with your class, simply hit the Present button in the top right corner. Your students will be published authors in no time.